Hey everyone, today I will show you how to check saved passwords on iPhone. And here's how it's done. So I'm on my iPhone. There are a couple places where you might have saved passwords, and I will walk you through both of those options. Both of those places to look to find those saved passwords. Head into your settings. Once you're in settings here, if you scroll down, you can see right here towards the top is passwords. So we will tap on passwords. And what will I do is unlock using Face ID and show me all of these passwords. Once I'm on here, there are a couple of ways to find your passwords. You can just search at the very top here. For example, it will show you the password for that service. You can tap on it and it will display the password. Or you can just scroll through here and find whatever you are looking for. It will show you the password and you can find it. Copy it and paste it into the website you want. You can also share it if you need to share it with a relative, family member, or whoever. So that is for your iPhone, and that pulls all your passwords into Safari. However, if you are using an app like Google Chrome and you want to find your password on Google Chrome itself, say you are on Android and you want to find the passwords, you can head into Google Chrome. Once you are in the Google Chrome, you can see the three dots at the bottom right. That will open up the little menu, and you can see a bunch of different options here. You will just scroll down and choose settings to get into the settings to find the passwords. Once you're in the settings, you will see the yellow password icon that says passwords. That is everything you need to know about how to check save passwords on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.